Wassup Berries? It's Sherry the Berry here, and it is 2021. We made it, y'all. We made it. Clap your hands, y'all. First of all, I want to say thank you guys so much for getting me over the hump of 1,000 subscribers. Like, it's us against the world. No, let me stop being so dramatic. Thank y'all so much for the love and the support that you give. The comments are just like amazing. I always respond to you guys because y'all are fabulous. I just love it. Like, y'all support me, y'all be subscribing. I'm gonna do my Knotless Braids. If you want to know more about Knotless Braids or how I do my Knotless Braids, I do have a video. Is that a smudge in my camera? I already sectioned my hair off and I already moisturized it yesterday, so I'm just gonna start it. So this video is about what I'm expecting for this year, 2021. Hold on, let me get this here. I'm using my favorite hair, braiding hair. Like, it just increases your braiding skills like by 10%. Not 10%, like 52%. I've been looking a mess, y'all. I was saying I gotta do my hair even if I'm not going to work, because I'm currently working full-time from home. I still was like, I'm looking kind of busted in this house. So let's give a recap on 2020. I know we shouldn't be talking about it. I know, like, real quick. January, I got laid off on my birthday. Yeah, like, what kind of disrespect is that? Like, they should have been like, okay, we got an employee that birthday is January 29th and we gotta do the 30th or something. The whole entire company, not entire company, but the Chicago office was all laid off. It was only like 7 of us. It was crazy. Obviously, I'm on my way to work, ready to work. It was real dark in the office, like not physically dark, but just like moody. And I'm just like, what in the world is going on? And then I was only there for like maybe 2 hours, and then after the 2 hours, it was like, yeah, y'all laid off, period. And I got all my stuff, I got all my papers, and I deuced out. I'm so grateful I have a new job, you know, and I got it in March, but still, I was laid off. Also, for my birthday, I went to Orlando, Florida, right? Beautiful, beautiful time. It was amazing. But I was drinking, like, I was like, maybe because I was like, I got laid off, and maybe I was just like, you know, but I was having fun. Like, I was very responsible. I had responsible people around me, but I went wild, and it's like something happened to my kidneys. I went to the doctor. I had some side pains. I went to the doctor. They said my kidneys was inflamed. They gave me some medication. The medication made me feel numb. Like, I swear I was in the bed for like 12 hours. That day I felt nauseous, I was numb, I felt like I couldn't even move my jaw. It was that crazy, and I ended up like throwing up. It was just wild. So I was pretty much in bed and pretty much recovering for about a week, and it was a lot. Like, that was a lot going on, and that was like February, end of February. But things started turning around for me. You know, I was able to get a good job in March. I was able to finance my own car in May. But then like some other stuff just started happening. I will open up about that like later on. And I'm just like, what is really going on? So I know we all had, you know, just a terrible, terrible 2020. You know, and just a pandemic and just us getting 2 stimulus checks, like, versus other countries, and they getting like, you know, these benefits. Like, I just feel bad for people that actually need this money and need money in general for their businesses, for their housing, for their daily living, and they're not even getting anything. It's crazy, it's crazy, it's crazy. But that's just like a small recap of 2020. But let's talk about 2021. Can't be too much time there. Just have to recap, you know, give y'all a little drizzle now. In 2021, there will be moving vlogs. Yes, because my life is about to just shift. It's gonna be a whole big shift, and I want to show you guys, you know, how I do it. Tips I have moving into your first apartment, and then like apartment shopping, not apartment shopping, but furniture shopping, and then once I get the apartment, decorative things, because I cannot wait to decorate, you know, like curtains and plants and all that great stuff. If you guys are looking for an apartment or just like to see apartment like decorative things, or hunting, or me talking about different apartment conversations, definitely get ready for that because it is coming. And it will be coming soon, like no later than March or April-ish. Yeah, so just moving and, you know, just taking that next step in my life. And I want to show you guys and answer you guys' questions. And I want you guys to be a part of my journey, you know, of doing that. And y'all give me some advice. And then also just with YouTube. So with my branding, so y'all know I love doing some product review videos. Like, that's just my thing. I love giving y'all the tea of, you know, how I feel about these products. Like, I want to just, you know, branch out and just review a lot of different products. And with that being said, I want to do more collaborations. Like, I don't want to just feature a product on my channel and like them just be like, thank you for the support, you know. Like, I want to actually collaborate with them. Uh-oh, I don't think that look cute. Uh-oh. Like, I want to actually be like, okay, you post this on next Friday, then we can do this, you know, just an actual collaboration. I feel like this year I want to reach out more. I want to shoot my shot more because they're not gonna always find me. You know, I had a great experience with the people I have collabed with, but it can go the other way too. Like, I can reach out to them like, hey, you know, check out these review videos. I like doing reviews. I can include this, that, and the third, blah, 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 blah. I would like blah, 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 return, you know, just like putting myself out there more. This may sound weird to people. My goal is not to be big on Instagram. My goal is to be big on YouTube. My goal is to have my following and my supporters on YouTube. Like, Instagram is just not my goal to be like huge in. If that makes a lot of sense to y'all. It's just more benefits on here. So I would, you know, definitely focus on posting on Instagram, you know, just for that extra source of, you know, traffic. But I will have more dedication and more willing to, you know, post on here. And yeah, just stepping out of my comfort zone, because sometimes I can be like, okay, I don't know if they want to work with me. I don't have millions of subscribers. I don't have hundreds of thousands of subscribers, you know. And, you know, I just kind of discourage myself, like, would they want to even work with me? But no more. That was last year of me thinking like that. Like, this is a whole new year. I want to do more, you know, 5-minute tip Tuesdays. Like, I want that to be like also like another branching out. Like, I have so many tips that I would love to share with you guys, you know, that I can just speak for 5 minutes, because it's not like a huge tip. It's like, hey y'all, do this, that, and the third, and you will get this, that, and the third, you know? Just like, you know, apartment shopping, I can give y'all a tip there. Fashion, apartments, relationship tips, you know? Like, I just have so many tips I feel like you guys can benefit from. Oh my gosh, this hair is attacking me. Like, y'all really sit here and y'all listen to me, and, you know, I just want to get back to y'all. Like, I just want to show y'all multiple layers of me, you know? Maybe not all, because people be sneaky. You know, like, some people be a little shysty. But yeah, I want to just show y'all different elements of me. Like, I'm a cool person. I think y'all would love to see me like vlogging and, you know, things of that nature. 2020 have definitely taught me just to, you know, go out on a limb and do things that I want to do, like now, or like when you can, because everything can change like so fast, or like it can be like a different story the next day. I can do it. Like, I can have my followings, and I'm just so grateful for all the support I've gotten already, you know? All you gotta do is do it. All you gotta do is do it. All I gotta do is do it. And what we waiting for? Like, we waiting for ourselves to give ourselves an okay. And we are control of ourselves. Like, we're gonna be like, no girl, or no berry, like, no. Actually, we gonna do this, and I wanna do this. I wanna make videos. I wanna make cupcakes. You know, just anything that you want. You wanna start your own business, even though it is a pandemic, you know, just like encourage yourself. I would definitely encourage encouragement to yourself. I know this year has been hard. Or last year, let me correct myself. Last year was hard, but you know, we got a new slate, and think of 2021 as a new slate. Don't think about it like another day, even though it technically is. Like, let's just have another, you know, beginning. I don't know if I want a side part or a middle part. I'm gonna do my middle part. But anyway, so I'm almost done with my hair. I paused it because if I would have kept talking and doing my hair, I would have been rambling and I didn't have much to say. I just wanted to give y'all a quick synopsis of what might come up. To reel it back in, as I do my last 2 braids. This is a big section. Oh well. Expect a lot from me. A lot of different things, a lot of collaborations, just more videos, period. If you want to do something this year, please do it. If 2020 did not teach you anything, it's to do it right now while we had a chance. Want to make a YouTube channel, you want to do this, you want to do that, have the confidence and get yourself out there. Promote yourself even if nobody else is promoting you. And do your dang thing. I'm so excited to share with you guys all the developments that's happening behind the scenes because it is amazing. I'm just so excited to, you know, give y'all all the details and everything that's going on, and just to unveil everything. But thank you guys so much for watching. As soon as I want to say bye to y'all, the camera just shuts off with its rude self. But yeah, I am done with my hair. It came out nice. Like I said, if you want to see how I do my knotless braids, I have a video out. A lot of body. I'm just gonna put on my braids and just help keep it down. Make sure them flyaways are gone. 2021, you gotta claim it. I know we kind of scared. We don't want to claim this year yet. Like, this is our year. And you know, obviously everything's not gonna change in a day, but claim it. You can do it. If you want to do it, please do it. I am encouraging you to do it. This is from me to you. If you're looking at this and you made it to the end of this video, this is a sign that whatever you want to do, whatever, like, it can be anything. You want to be a pole dancer, be a pole dancer. But you know, think about that a little more, you know. Whatever you want to do it. This is from me to you. But that is about it. Let me turn my head down and give you something to eat. But that is the end of this video. If you made it to the end of this video, you are the truest berry of the bunch. Thank you again for watching, and I will see me in my next video. Peace.